In this question, we are being asked to identify the company's capital structure as at 31st December 20x5. In other words, we need to calculate the balance for the ordinary share capital and the share premium account at year end. In the question, we're presented with information about the capital structure at the start of the year. This reveals that the ordinary share capital balance is 125,000 and the share premium account is 100,000. We also have information about the nominal value for a single share, which is 25 cents, and we've also got information about the total number of shares that the business has at the start of the year, and this is 500,000. We learn that the company has made a rights issue of 1 share for every 2 held at £1 per share, which was fully taken up. And later on, this was followed by a bonus issue of 1 share for every 5 held, utilising the share premium account for this purpose. Now, in order to answer a question like this, we need to work out the number of shares that were given on the rights issue and the bonus issue. So let's produce a working thinking about the chronological order of events that have taken place. So we'll start with the opening number of shares that the business has. Next, we know that a rights issue takes place. The rights is made at 1 share for every 2 held. So this means we can work out the number of shares on the rights issue by simply taking 500,000, dividing this by 2 and multiplying it by 1. This would give us 250,000 shares that are given on the rights. Now, we know that the rights is made at a monetary amount of $1 per share, giving us a total amount of $250,000. Now, yes, this would be the cash that the company receives. However, when it comes to entries posted in the share capital and share premium account, the posting to the share capital account will only be for the nominal value. So we can split this amount between the share capital and the share premium. The share capital entry will be for the number of shares on the rights, the 250,000, multiplied by 25 cents, the nominal value for a single share, giving us $62,500. The balancing amount would be to share premium, and that's going to be the $187,500. Next, we want to add down the number of shares to get the cumulative total before we work out the bonus issue. So here we've got 750,000 shares, and now we can work out the number of shares given on the bonus issue. The bonus issue is made at 1 share for every 5 held, so we can take 750,000, divide this by 5, multiplied by 1 to give us 150,000 shares, which would have been given on the bonus. Now, a bonus issue is always made at the nominal value being 25 cents. So the total amount here would be 37,500. This would certainly increase the share capital, and we are told that it is funded out of the share premium, so it would reduce the share premium by the same amount. Now, having calculated these amounts, we can simply work out now the total balance for our share capital and share premium at year end. So if we start off with the 125,000 in share capital, add on the amount that is generated from the rights issue, which we calculated as 62,500, and we add on the amount that is going to be increasing the share capital because of the bonus, which is the 37,500. That gives us a closing share capital balance of $225,000. For share premium, we know that as a result of the rights issue, there is an amount of 187,500 that increases the share premium account balance, but the bonus would be a reduction of the 37,500 because it's funded out of the share premium account, and what that gives us is 250,000. We can see that from the options presented, that is option number 3 as the correct answer.